Hello students, welcome to Pathak's Computer Academy online classes. In the previous classes, we learned about input devices and output devices. Today we will see the third basic part of computer, that is memory. So let's start. So what do you mean by memory? As a layman, we can say that a memory is just like a human brain through which you are capable of storing data and information. That's it. If you want to keep some data, so memory is just like a container where you kept those data. That's it. Now, as we know that computer can work on binary numbers, that is 0 and 1. So if we want to store alphabets, digits, numbers, special symbols, any other data, that should be in the form of 0 and 1. So you have to memorize these lists. So 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. 1024 byte makes 1 KB, that is kilobyte. 1024 KB is equal to 1 MB, that is megabyte. 1024 MB is equal to 1 GB, gigabyte. 1024 GB is equal to 1 terabyte. And this is going up to yottabyte. You always think that the speed of internet is measured in kilobyte, megabyte. Why? Because the memory are measured in bytes. So, what is the speed of uploading the data, uploading the video, uploading the photos? What is the speed of download the video content are measured in bytes. That's why here you can see there bytes, KB, MB, GB, TB are there. So I hope you understand what is bit, bytes, and all these units. Now, so we can categorize computer memory into two parts. That is main memory, and the second one is secondary. As the name suggests, main memory is the area where those data and instructions are kept which are going to be executed or which are executed. These are which are in execution. Okay. So CPU can take that data from main memory. If you enter data from mouse or keyboard, that are going to be first of all in main memory. Okay, that is RAM. Example is RAM. Another one is secondary memory. Again, as the name suggests, it is required when we want our data to be kept for the longer purpose that can be used later on. Okay, then secondary type of memory is hard disk is the example of secondary memory. So as the names, you have to be very clear that without main memory, computer is nothing, but without secondary memory, computer can run. In other words, computer memory can also of two types, that is volatile and non-volatile. What it means? Volatile means when any devices which are volatile And when we kept the data in a volatile memory, if somehow computer is off, all the data are vanish out from the volatile memory. You cannot get the data from volatile memory. But in the case of non-volatile, if power to the system is gone, still the data stored in the non-volatile memory can be saved. Okay, so volatile means vanish out when power is off. Non-volatile, all the data are kept safe. Clear? One thing you have to be very clear about that. If we are talking about memory, then it means RAM and ROM. That is primary, main memory. And if we are talking about hard disk or permanent storage, then we are actually talking about not memory, we are talking about storage. That's why secondary memory is referred as storage, not memory. So I hope you understand what is memory. Memory is just like a container where you kept the data and instructions. Types of memory are two: main memory, secondary memory. Examples of main memory is RAM, ROM. Secondary memory example is hard disk, pen drive. Okay. So in the next class, we will see main memory. And in main memory, we will see RAM, random access memory in detail. I hope you enjoyed the session. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.